guys, hello again. It's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Just to say thank you, welcome back to my channel. I'm just this time hopefully doing a shortish video. I'm still working on the signatures to go into this journal, this notebook here. I've just done the 2 videos on stamping, embellishing with stamping, and finishing off with, and we did in the last video we actually collaged this page, the beginning of the signature. Also this time what I'm going to do is just go in with a bit of washi tape to show how to use washi tape to enhance the your pages. So we'll start off with this one. I've tried to be organised this time and actually just marked the pages that we're going to do. So I thought, for instance, on this one here, I love the colours here, but just wanted to pop down a little oh, what's the word, index card for journaling on. And I just thought, rather than gluing it in, sometimes it's just nice to use. In fact, I'm going to have to cut that down, I think, to get the effect that I want. Didn't see that come in. I was going to put it through the cutter, but forgot it was just like a 2/3 of a page. So yeah, sometimes rather than just gluing things in, you can just pop them in notice board styly with a bit of washi. I quite like that. Cut if you like, or tear if you like. I quite like it just as it is, torn. But again, we're all really different. So if you need it to be very, you know, tidy and exactly measured, go for that. So that's that one. So that's popped in already. So you've got a space of journal. The same with this one here with the calla lilies. I love the book, love the image, but so that you can have space to journal on it. I might, yes, let's just go for, let's go for this one. I've got loads of washes. I've tried to keep the colour selection down to 4 or 5 colours. Again, it's to go with the green, the taupe, yeah, green, taupe, a little bit of blue that's in this journal quite prominently. But you can use as many as you like, to be honest. Again, you might just want to use the one, depending on your taste. Okay, so that's that. So you've got your journaling spots. I quite fancied, was it on that page? No, I think I'll leave that. That looks quite plain, but yeah, that's all right. Or shall I? Or let me just show you just how a bit of washi can just lift a page. And I might just pop this. I might pop that one just down the side. Some people embellish each page. I've seen it done on Bible journaling, the edges of each page with different washes, and it looks absolutely fabulous. Really does. I will tidy this up a little bit better off camera, but it gives you the idea. So you've got an edge there. That one, I think I might do 2 or 3. Actually, I haven't used this. I wasn't sure of the colour, but I really like I do like this washi. And on this page, I don't think it will matter too much that it's a bit of a reddy brown rather than a taupey brown. I might be just being a little bit fussy there. I've had it a while, as you can see, but I think we might just pop a little bit just on the edge. Just on the edge there, like so. And again, you'll see on the flip through, it's quite simple, but when we flip through the journal, you'll just see how something quite simple like that will just give a page a really nice lift. I better put a little I won't put anything there, I don't think. Perhaps I meant it to go here. Right, so this one here, or that one, I really like. I don't know if you can see it close up, if I can get it open. I had these on my Instagram a few weeks ago and I unpacked them. This actually, I don't know if you can see it, if that's too, it's a little scene of some rooftops and birds with the tops of trees, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So that could go just across the bottom there, because I can get really carried away with my washi, I'm not going to lie, and I could get really carried away with embellishing pages, but then you forget that you want to be able to have room to journal on them, so I can't get that carried away. Actually, I might just take that right across. Yeah, the idea is it enhances the page, but you've still got room to write, so I'm kind of just sticking with the blues and the greens on the graph paper. But that, I just love it. In fact, you could do on a collage, a sort of bird themed collage, that would be fab. We will do that. We will do that. Keeping that. Did I have a green? Did I have a green? Let's have a look. I've got so many. I don't know if that's going to be too much on here. Yeah, no, I'm going to leave that. Leave that. That's that there. I think I might put one just on the bottom here. You can see that, guys. So again, flipping through and using your journal, what you'll find is you'll see just that little bit of continuity. And there. Okie dokie. Now this one, I thought we could use this. That's quite pretty because I like the taupey cream vibe going on there on the Laura Ashley sort of note paper, and it's got that bit of blue in. That will do. Tiny bit up here. I'll show you how you can layer them as well. In fact, on my flip through of the other two journals, I've done a little bit. If can I show you where you can, yeah, on that one there, can you see it? So just taking 2 or 3 same colours or whatever and just layer them. So we'll have a look anyway. We will have a look at that anon. That'll be my next, well, I think I'll just be doing a video on saying the signatures in of these. And then, oh, I've done there. I don't know what I've done there. Yeah, we'll sew the signatures in, and then it will be the flip through of the 3. And that will be on my YouTube channel for you to have a look at as well. And I'll do little pictures on Instagram in case you haven't got the time to flip through a whole bunch of stuff with me on that day. I'll do, because I don't know if everybody assumes that when you are on YouTube that you actually have an Instagram channel as well, an Instagram account. I didn't know if people assume that. I didn't know. So just to say, I am on Instagram as Just Jenny Journaling. You can follow along daily to different posts. And as I said, if you haven't got a lot of time in a day to be having a look on my channel, I might leave that actually. I like that. Blue. Is that going to be? That'll be alright. This will be. I think all the washi tapes, those beautiful scenic washi tapes. I did a post on those on my Instagram because they're just beautiful. So intricate, really. I was pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to leave that. Oh my, no, not apparently. I'm going to stick that on there like that, and I was going to move it out so that it's got a bit of a frill showing at the top, or maybe maybe we'll just do that on that one because I like the colours. And that will go there like so. There you go, guys. Right, so that's that one. And on this one, I thought rather than showing you go through the whole washi tape thing on this one, I'll show you how I use my edges, paper edges, to just get a bit of variety when it comes to the edging of the pages, so you can layer a little bit. I tend to do that, adds a bit of interest. Or shall I washi as well? Washi with me. What have I got going on there? Let's just do, let me just do a bit of washi. So I can do a bit there, yeah. Just on this side, I think, because that side is fine. Very simple. Let's just pop a little bit on the edge there, I think. And then I may not only do that, but I could show you on this one, couldn't I, how I just use a paper edger. I could do that. And these, as I said in a previous video, were a little set from Hobbycraft. I think there's about 7 or 8 of them for £10. They're not very heavy. I don't know how long they last, but they're very useful. I love them. So again, look at the difference that makes just on that. And I may, just because I can. And then what the lovely thing is, you've got these little edgy bits. Oh, they're a bit fiddly, but to stick on to other pages to embellish, which again, you could pay the earth to just buy little bits for embellishing, but you don't really have to. That's you making the most of what you've got, which I really like. And do you know what? If you don't even have these like paper edger things, you could even use pinking shears if that's what you know, for starting out with. But look how gorgeous that looks. Maybe you can see. It's a little bit random at this moment in time, but once it's all put together, that could look fab. That could look fab. Let's washi again, I think. And do you know what? Just put washing out. Talking about washi, and thought I could get some school uniform dry, and it is about to rain again. So guys, you get the gist. I didn't want to make this a really long drawn out video again for busy people who haven't got a lot of time to mess about, but you get the gist of how to go through. That's a bit uneven anyway. Let's go for that, like so, I think. Let's go for that. What's nice about this lined paper is it actually gives you the guide. I might just take the edge off that little butterfly at the top. But that's nice because you've got that little bit of washi showing up underneath. Okay, there's my pocket for my cards. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Shall I do a... Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to say is you get the gist of what you can do. Make it up as you go along. Whatever floats your boat, you can do so much more with washi. And I think I might just do a tutorial. I've seen some fabulous ideas. If I can remember who they are, I'll go back so I can give them credit really on my next when I do that, because a lot of these things I've just seen on YouTube and I can't take credit for them myself. They're really inspirational ladies to sort of share their ideas quite freely, and it's lovely. I'd like to do the same, but if something isn't my original idea, I just need to remember that I need to be able to go back, see who I saw it from, and take it from there. Give credit where it's due and all that. I like that. Actually, but that's underneath that brownie Laura. It's the paper chase one. So I think what I'll do is I'll pop that just across there. Not that it makes a difference. I don't know. Okay. So guys, just a quick one really. I will turn off the camera and I'll carry on doing a little bit of this. I think. Just let me show you. I think I can do that without messing. Just how to make. I'm going to make into a bit of a pocket to pop cards in. So, just to show you how I do that. There you go. And there you go. That's okay to do before you sew your signature in, I think. And then what you'll find then is you'll be able to pop cards in like so, or little notepads. I might just put some extra paper in. Okay guys, so that gives you an idea of how to embellish. So we've looked at using the paper edges. I'll carry on doing that off camera, I think. And how to just go through with your stamps and your washi, just to give little pages a bit of a lift. She says not finding any. How to attach little journal spots with washi tape really quickly. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed that and you found it useful. Next step will be sewing the signatures actually into the journal. I'm going to do these two and then I'll probably do these on camera. Oh, so that's it. So as I said, that's me, Just Jenny Journaling. Like, subscribe, make a comment. I'd be fabulous if you could. Follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm Just Jenny Journaling as well. As I do posts every day. If even I can't do video, whatever, just what I'm at, what I'm looking at, different bits that I've picked up at charity shops or whatever. It will be there for you guys to share with me. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.